Good morning, guys. It's our first morning, and I took a shower. My first shower in the house. It felt so good. My husband is doing a taping thing because I'm going to start painting. And you need the tip. What kind of tip do you want? The small one, the big one? Yeah, a small one is good. Painting stuff. So last night we slept really late because my husband is playing with this comedy thing. I don't even finish it. It looks really nice. Movie. Robin Williams. And
this is Doubtfire.
yeah, what's the title?
This is Doubtfire.
This is Mrs. Doubtfire. Yeah, and it's really nice comedy. Oh my god, it's really funny, but I'm so sleepy, tired. And we have a light, guys. I can use this light for filming. No, it's very shiny, my face. So yeah, so my husband have that light for like 100 years ago. He bought it. 100. My husband is that old. No, it's not. So it's just like he got it, and this is the first time he's using it. He like to buy stuff.
I got a bunch of other lights. I don't need to use all of them. Whichever ones I don't need to use, I'll just take them out because that's your opinion.
So, okay, I'm going to help my husband, and then I will see you later. Oh my god, it's very cold. You open the thing, we don't have out there. This door is open, so
Come on. Fresh air.
we open it when we start making.
I'm just waiting to do like a little bit.
Okay, hold. I am making steak. This is the only steak we got here. And after that, I don't have nothing. Well, I have my pancake. So I'm good. I'll show you how I cook it. We don't have a grill. This is how I cook it, guys. It's very smoky. So, in a pan. Exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. Exhaust timer, reminder, clock, cord, it's not clock. Vent fan. We're gonna have lunch, guys. My husband is changing all the light bulbs. He paint halfway of the ceiling because we don't have any more paint. We don't buy enough. And the paint is pink, and then when it dry, it's going to bright white, but it's not really bright white, the same color that what we have now, right, Han? No, it doesn't really think so, guys. But so I think this is almost done, and that's the color of our paint. I will put the link down below, or I will put the name of the paint that we put in the wall. It is, I don't know, it's heading home. I'm wearing glasses, guys. I'm sorry because the sun is shining. And we're heading home. And then I miss my kids. I want to stay, but my husband kept asking me, are you sure? 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 And then it makes me thinking twice, like, do I have to? Well, it's really, he did most of the job. He helped me painting the wall, so I decided just, okay, I go back with you because I miss the kids also, the dogs, the cats, and that house also, guys. I'll tell you, there's a lot of squeaky thing going on. It's not even squeaky, it's banging, right, Han? It's like there's some kind of animals outside, or I don't know what's going on. It's just, it's a little freaky to me. And while we're watching a show, a TV comedy last night, we both hear the noise, bang somewhere. So he went to the basement, he went to, you know, the second floor, he went everywhere to check. There's nothing. Check outside. You went outside? Yeah. If there is a bear over there, so what?
Well, then I know what it was at least.
So yeah, so I decided to just go home. You know, I come back over there. You know, we survived last night, so that means oh, there's an accident over there. Did you see the first police, son?
Yeah.
So there's
something. A long time ago.
Yeah.
These guys are way beyond the.
There's a cop.
How do they need a fireboat up here? Do we have an ocean here? What do you got a fireboat for?
Well, there is a river here. The river over there. So anyway, so yeah, we're heading home. We bring, you know, it seems like we're still bringing a lot of stuff from the house that we carry, but that's most of that is the garbage. We don't accumulate garbage in the house. And what else? Yeah, we bring the food because we don't want the food go bad, because you know, a few days we're not gonna be there. So yeah, I would love to stay there really. When we just get out from the house, I saw the neighbor. They have kids. So
Jeep, huh?
huh?
Jeep.
Oh, for sale? No. I slow down, hun. So okay guys, I will see you later. Alligator. It's traffic because it is rush hour.